This is a 27 billion parameter model, and I want to run it at a long context on one 16GB GPU. On paper, the KV cache alone can end up needing more memory than the model's own weights. Let's watch exactly where that breaks and what actually fixes it, live on this card. First, the obvious way, full FP16 KV cache, every layer forced onto the GPU. Before I even load it, TurboLLM's own estimate already flags this. About 39.6 gigabytes needed against a 16.3 gigabyte card, more than double, and it tells you outright it'll spill to system RAM. Load it anyway, send one message, and it doesn't even get through processing the prompt. Stuck at 0% the whole time I waited. So back off the GPU layers, all the way down to 0. The estimate still says overflow, about 27.6 gigabytes needed against 16.3 on the card. This time it's not stuck, it does get there, but it sits and thinks for a long time before the first token even appears, and then only crawls out around 4 tokens a second. This isn't a GPU layers problem. It's the cache itself. Quantize the KV cache itself, standard 4-bit, still the regular engine. The estimate now says about 13 gigabytes, comfortably under the card's limit. Load it. Ask a real question. And this time it actually finishes at about 4.5 tokens a second. Smaller cache, more room for real layers on the GPU. TurboQuant is a llama.cpp fork built for exactly this, with its own low-bit KV cache formats, including the Turbo 4 I'll use next and the Turbo 2 I'll finish on, plus next and speculative decoding. It's right in TurboLLM's engine catalog. Click Build from Source, and it builds the fork for you, cloning, compiling, and registering it, with no command line. Same model, same context, same GPU. Just switch the KV cache type to Turbo 4 on TurboQuant and fit the layers again. The estimate still flags overflow, but the real footprint is smaller. 45 of 64 layers now fit on the card, up from 27 on the regular engine. Generation stays about the same, but prefill jumps to almost 700 tokens a second. That's the smaller KV footprint buying real GPU headroom, not a faster kernel. There's one more lever, and it's the biggest. Turbo 2 is the most aggressive KV cache format there is, 2-bit, half the footprint of Turbo 4, and that tiny cache frees enough memory to push the GPU layers all the way up, 62 of 64, almost the entire model on the card. Same model, same context, same question, and now it runs at about 24 tokens a second. That's by far the fastest result of the whole run, more than 5 times the Q4 result. The smallest cache put nearly the whole model on the GPU, and that's what wins. That's the whole gap, from a stalled load to a real long context 27B model running at about 24 tokens a second on a single 16 gigabyte card. One command to try it yourself: npx turbo.